Alright, so welcome to another section. So we are still on indices, logarithm, and sorts. So still on indices, we can have different varieties of questions. So let's take some questions. The first one we have is 9. Is 9 raised to 2n plus 1 equals to 81 raised by n plus 2 all over. We can have that all over 3 raised to n. So the equation can also come in this format. So if you look at this equation very well, 9 is a power square. That's 3 times 3 giving us 9. 81 is also a power square. That's 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 giving us 81. Giving us 81. So now from all this, we can expand further in terms of their power square. So we have 9. Then we give us 3 raised by 2. But don't forget, the existing power of 9, we must multiply it by the power which we have converted into. So that's into bracket 2n plus 1. Close the bracket. Equal to. Then we have 81. 81 is 3 raised by 4. 3 times 3, 9 times 3, 27, 29 times 3, 81. So from here, that's 3 raised by 4. Then the existing power of 81, that's into bracket n plus 2. Close the bracket all over 3 raised by n. So from here, we can expand the brackets further. We can have 3 raised by 2 times 2n, that's 4n, plus 2 times 1, that's 2, equals to 3 raised by 4 times n, 4n, plus 4 times 2, that's 8, all over 3 raised by n. Alright, so from here, according to one of the law of indices, when we have a power, when we have this kind of equation divided by this, we can take one of it and minus the power. That's the difference law, the division law that says x raised by a over x raised by b, giving us x raised by a minus b. So making use of this second law of indices, we can solve this further. So we have 2 raised by 4n plus 2. So now this, taking one of the trees, we have 3 and 3. So taking one of the trees, we have this power which is 4n plus 8. Then we have this power which is n. So if this is a and this is b, that's a minus b. That's this minus n. So if we solve for that, we have 3 raised by 4n plus 2 equals to 4n minus n. That's 3n. 3 raised by 3n plus 8. So now, also according to one of the law of indices, 3 can cancel 3. So we have 4n plus 2 equal to 3n plus 8. So now from here, collecting the lifetime so that we can get the value of n. So that can be 4n. When 3n comes after this equal to sign, it becomes minus. Because here it was plus, crossing over, it will become a minus 3n. Equal to, we have 8. Then 2 also crossing over to the other side becomes minus 2. So equating this 4n minus 3n, that's what? n. That's, we have 4 of it, and we have 3. We take away 3 from the 4 of it, remaining 1 of it. So that's 1 of n. So that's n equals to 8 minus 2, that's 6. So